Hello friends, welcome back to Bird Homes. We made a customized cage once again. Just visit our design, including stand I have given as per customer requirements. Please visit. This is one single door instead of small door. Inside we have placed breeding box also for Africans, feeding cocks, and this is a clean tray. And inside also you having some mesh. So this is completely customized and dismantlable settings. We have given nut and bolt fittings. Whenever customer do need means he will pack and go easily. So you can carry easily, and this is a very heavy gauge also. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, friends. Further orders you can call us Bird Homes. We having a, and please subscribe our channel also. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.